Camping. It's a word that evokes a sense of adventure, a call to the wild, but what is it about camping that draws so many of us to the great outdoors? This is George, the new unknown traveler, and today we go camping. It's more than just sleeping outside, it's a primal urge, a deep-seated need to connect with the natural world. It's about stepping away from the concrete jungles and immersing ourselves in the beauty of nature, a yearning for something real, something tangible. In a world dominated by screens and digital interactions, we crave the touch of tree bark, the sight of a mountain vista, the sound of a flowing river. In today's busy world, we crave escape. We need to reconnect. Camping offers that escape. It's a chance to step away from the hustle and bustle, to find solace in the simplicity of nature. It's a chance to unplug, to breathe fresh air, to listen to the rustling leaves and chirping birds, to feel the sun on our skin and the wind in our hair, to feel alive, to wake up with the sunrise and fall asleep under a blanket of stars. Millions are answering this call. They're packing their tents and heading into the wild. They're seeking adventure, freedom, and a break from the ordinary. Families gather around crackling fires. They share stories, roast marshmallows, and create memories that last a lifetime. Friends share stories under starry skies. They laugh, bond, and strengthen their connections away from the distractions of modern life. Couples find romance in the glow of the moon. They rediscover each other in the quiet moments, away from the noise and chaos. Camping is about reconnecting, not just with nature, but with ourselves. It's a journey inward as much as it is outward, not just with nature, but with ourselves. It's about finding clarity, peace, and a sense of purpose. It's about stripping away the distractions. It's about being present in the moment, appreciating the here and now. We find peace in the simplicity, in the gentle sway of a hammock, the pages of a book, the sound of a river. We rediscover the beauty around us, the vibrant colors of a sunrise, the delicate petals of wildflowers, the majesty of towering trees. The reasons for camping are many. For some, it's the thrill of adventure. For others, it's the peace and quiet. For many, it's a chance to bond with loved ones, but the core remains the same. It's about adventure, it's about freedom, it's about stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing the unknown. It's about rediscovering what truly matters. The simple joys, the deep connections, the beauty of the world around us. Camping reminds us of our place in the world and the wonders that await us when we step outside. Stepping away from the concrete jungle does wonders. Nature has a way of healing. It soothes the soul. Camping allows us to fully immerse in this healing power. Imagine waking up to birdsong. The air is crisp and clean. Sunlight filters through the trees. This is the power of nature. It revitalizes us. Studies show spending time outdoors reduces stress, it lowers blood pressure, it improves sleep. These are just some of the benefits. Camping connects us to something bigger. It reminds us we are part of nature, not separate from it. This connection fosters a sense of peace, a sense of belonging. Proper gear is key to a successful camping trip. The right equipment can make the difference between a memorable adventure and a challenging ordeal. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, having the right gear ensures comfort, safety, and enjoyment. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be complicated. Start with the essentials and build from there. Simplicity is often the best approach, especially when you're just starting out. Start with the basics. First, you'll need a tent. This will be your primary shelter, protecting you from the elements and providing a cozy space to rest. This is your home away from home. Make sure it's sturdy and easy to set up. Look for features like waterproofing and good ventilation. Choose one that suits your group size and weather conditions. If you're camping with family or friends, a larger tent might be necessary. For solo trips, a smaller, lightweight tent is ideal. Next, a sleeping bag. It keeps you warm during chilly nights. A good sleeping bag is essential for a comfortable night's sleep. Select one rated for the temperatures you expect. Pay attention to the temperature ratings and choose accordingly. A sleeping bag that's too warm or too cold can ruin your night. A sleeping pad adds comfort and insulation from the ground. It not only provides cushioning, but also helps to keep you warm by insulating you from the cold ground. Don't forget lighting. A headlamp is essential for navigating around camp at night. Pack extra batteries. It's a versatile tool that keeps your hands free while providing ample light for tasks like cooking, reading, or finding your way to the bathroom. A camping stove allows you to cook meals. Enjoying a hot meal after a day of hiking is one of the pleasures of camping. Choose one that fits your needs and fuel type. There are various options available, from compact backpacking stoves to larger, more robust models. Consider the type of fuel it uses and how easy it is to operate. These are just the essentials. Depending on your trip, you might need additional items like a first aid kit, multi-tool, or water filtration system. Remember, packing light is key. The less you carry, the more enjoyable your hike will be. Focus on multi-purpose items that can serve several functions. You'll be carrying your gear. Make sure your backpack is comfortable and well fitted. Distribute the weight evenly to avoid strain. Choose items that are durable and multi-purpose. Quality gear can last for years and make your camping experience much more enjoyable. Happy camping? Once you have the essentials, consider additional items for comfort. While the basics like a tent, sleeping bag, and cooking gear are crucial, adding a few extra items can significantly enhance your camping experience. Think about what makes you comfortable at home and try to bring a bit of that into the wild. Camping chairs provide a comfortable place to relax around the campfire. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and can make a huge difference in your comfort level. Imagine sitting on a rock or the hard ground versus a cozy chair with a backrest. A cooler keeps your food and drinks cold, which is essential for both safety and enjoyment. Whether it's keeping your beverages chilled or ensuring your food stays fresh, a good cooler is a must-have. Plus, it can double as extra seating in a pinch. A portable table comes in handy for meal prep and organization. It provides a clean, stable surface to prepare your meals, play games, or even just keep your gear organized. It's one of those items you don't realize you need until you have it. A first aid kit is crucial for treating minor injuries. Accidents can happen, and being prepared with bandages, antiseptics, and other medical supplies can make a big difference. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Don't forget insect repellent to ward off pesky bugs. Mosquitoes and other insects can quickly turn a pleasant evening into an itchy nightmare. A good insect repellent can help you enjoy your time outdoors without constantly swatting away bugs. For entertainment, pack a book, cards, or other small games. These can be great for winding down in the evening or passing the time if the weather turns bad. Simple, lightweight, and can provide hours of fun. A portable speaker for music can also enhance your camping experience. Whether you're relaxing by the fire or having a small gathering, music can set the mood and make the experience more enjoyable. A solar charger can keep your electronics powered up. In today's world, staying connected can be important, even in the great outdoors. A solar charger ensures that your phone, camera, or other devices stay charged without needing an outlet. These extras can make your trip more enjoyable. Remember, comfort is subjective. What works for one person might not work for another, so tailor your gear to your own needs and preferences. Pack items that are important to you. Whether it's a favorite pillow, a special mug, or a cozy blanket, bringing a touch of home can make your camping experience more pleasant. But always prioritize safety and preparedness. Make sure you have all the necessary gear to handle emergencies and stay safe. With the right balance of comfort and safety, your camping trip can be both enjoyable and secure. The United States boasts breathtaking camping destinations, from towering mountains to serene lakes. There's something for everyone. National parks offer iconic landscapes and well-maintained campgrounds. Yellowstone National Park is a geothermal wonderland with geysers, hot springs, and wildlife. Yosemite National Park showcases granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. Grand Canyon National Park offers awe-inspiring views of one of the world's most impressive natural wonders. These are just a few of the many incredible national parks. State parks offer diverse landscapes and often have more affordable camping options. Research different campgrounds to find the best fit for your preferences. Section 6. The price of paradise permits, fees, and budgeting. Camping costs vary depending on the location and type of campground. National parks typically charge entrance fees and camping fees. State parks often have lower fees. Some campgrounds require permits, especially during peak season. Book in advance to secure your spot. Consider the cost of travel, food, and activities when budgeting for your trip. Boating and fishing may require additional permits or licenses. Check regulations for the specific area you're visiting. Camping doesn't have to be expensive. With careful planning, you can enjoy an affordable outdoor adventure. Section 7. Under the open sky, activities to enjoy while camping. Camping offers a plethora of activities. Hiking is a great way to explore the surrounding wilderness. Pack a map, water, and snacks for your adventure. Fishing can be a relaxing and rewarding experience. Cast a line in a nearby lake or river. Stargazing is magical in the absence of city lights. Bring a blanket and lie under the vast night sky. Gather around the campfire for stories, songs, and laughter. Play cards, read a book, or simply relax and enjoy the peace and quiet. Section 8. Camping Smarts. Tips for a safe and enjoyable trip. Plan your trip in advance. Research the campground, weather conditions, and any necessary permits. Pack appropriate clothing and gear for all types of weather. Let someone know your itinerary and expected return time. Follow leave no trace principles. Pack out everything you pack in. Dispose of waste properly. Respect wildlife. Observe from a distance and never feed animals. Be aware of your surroundings and potential hazards. Stay on marked trails. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience. Camping is about connecting with nature and escaping the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 9. Embrace the adventure. Your camping journey begins now. Camping is more than just a vacation. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, with loved ones, and with yourself. It's an opportunity to challenge yourself, to learn new skills, to create lasting memories. Hey, please remember to smash that subscribe button. It is free and it will help my channel grow. Leave a comment below and let me know what fun outdoor activity you would like to view next. Let us know where in the world you would like visit in the future. This is George, the unknown traveler, signing off until next time. Thanks for watching.